Okay, looks like we're gonna go down this morning again. CNBC is saying 900 points. So here's a daily. We're hitting this zone, and there is almost we hit the bottom, and there's a bottom of this white support zone. So next one is blue one. We may even go all the way to here. This is based on 365 days. Let's take a look at if you go look back at 2000 days. Get a little bit different picture, but still we have to go down. There was a blue over here. Here's a white support zone. So, and this is Nasdaq NQ. So according to this, about 7,400 if you continue down. Let me just if I can take this out, see a little bit, and of course, so there's a first leg pullback. Here's the second leg pullback, and now I think we could expect third leg, at least to here. So we'll see what markets are gonna show us, tell us. All right, before we continue, please read this disclosure. Very dangerous to trade futures and financial instruments. Trade with the money only you can afford it. There's gonna be under the video also, so please read this or pause this video and read it. So we can go to the signals, the Quant007 signals or 007 signals. All right, I believe we are so far 25 days in a row in profit. All right, so please pause and read that. So first leg pullback, second leg, and now we're making pullback. So how far we'll see, but there is so far there was in this zone. There's around this zone, so this is based on 2000 days, as I said. If you go 365, so let's just take a look. This is about 7,400, and let's change it one more time. 365. The bottom one here is 7,600. So, which they always go a little bit below, and in this case, so we could come to 7,400 if based on the history. We'll leave this chart on. All right, we can see gold over here. It's I believe it's oversold big time. So where we could buy some.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order canceled.
We could buy some over here. So it's Nasdaq overbought based on the pullback zone, based on the bands. Alright, here is
Order submitted.
just one contract. Alright, this is set at
Order filled.
oh, there's the meta-10 ticks and the gold. Alright, this one is on 15, let's go to 26 and see what's gonna be. Let's go with this one on 26 too, minus 26. Alright, we'll wait for the gold to come down and buy again. Let's go sell
Order
Nasdaq.
filled.
And we will just go here.
Order submitted.
Let's go to the bottom of this bar. Somewhere here. Just because we are already oversold. I mean overbought on Nasdaq. Which doesn't mean that it's not gonna continue going long. A lot of times they're gonna get into long trend and be above this zone and just continue up. So we got to be careful with that. And here is there's a 200 line. And we have a 20 with 2-minute chart. Okay, if they come out over here again, we'll sell another contract. One big pullback. Alright, because they're just so strong, we're gonna get with our target over here. Wow, any pullback was a strong buy. Okay, we're gonna sell again
Order
here.
filled.
Now we're gonna go with our profit
Order
right
submitted.
there. Alright, let's take a look on gold.
Order filled.
Alright, there's two and done. 340 points. Let's go buy gold again.
Order filled.
Target is here.
Order submitted.
I think we could raise a little bit higher. Maybe right here. We can always come out market And as you can see in the daily, what Nasdaq is doing. There was a run this morning, run up, going long. So we'll see what's gonna be. Let's go sell Nasdaq right
Order
here.
filled.
And that will
Order
be here.
submitted.
We're seeing gold is continuing down, so Nasdaq may go up. A big bottle over here. Alright, let's go see what's gonna happen here.
Order
There's-
filled.
Alright, that's another good trade. So we are still in the gold. We'll buy another contract.
Order filled.
Now we can bring this down here.
Order submitted.
On top of this bar. Let's see what Dow plunges 600 points. All right.
Order filled.
There we go. Okay, so Nasdaq is coming back to 200. And as you can see, it's pulling back into the under the band. Let's take a look what oil is doing. CL. Trying to go up with some bounce over here. It was going down all night. Okay. Just wanna see which one is painting the bars. It's a bar one. Huge pullback over here on Nasdaq, but we have 600 points. And we are only 12 minutes in a trading session. You can even take that one out, just to leave 2200. Just because of market conditions, we are into time charts. Otherwise, we would be using different. It would, if markets were slower. If markets were slower, we would use different chart, but equities are moving so quick that we can just use time chart, and they are pretty good responding on this the Quant007 zones. Or envelopes. Every time you see it goes above, it pulls back. Same over here, same here. Went above, pull back, pull back, pull back. There's a pullback. As I said, sometime there's, you can see here, right there, right there, right there, right here. But sometimes they'll get so such a good trend that they will just continue up above the band and then later pull back. So you can see in this case over here, such a strong trend, just was going up, but look at pullback all the way down here. Which we can add one other indicator. We can go with EMA 21, I believe. Let's just take a look. Once it gets out there, expect pullback, comes close to here, to either of these lines, next a pullback also. So that's another filter, as you can see. To watch. But definitely in this case here, It went out and just hold it for a while. But once that coming in, it was a big pullback. Same here. It was very close here. Very close. It's almost touching, so you know what to expect. Here's came out. It was a pullback, the trend was strong. Same here, and so on. Let's see if we can make some more trades. There's gold coming back. Let's see if we can go on the
Order
gold.
filled.
Go to this line here.
Order submitted.
It's going back into the zone. Okay, every time comes in this area, Nasdaq, it pulls back. So let's try it.
Order filled.
Let's just go for some ticks.
Order submitted.
See if we can get. Looks up to here.
Order filled.
Alright, there's another one. Very quick, almost like 37 ticks. Okay, I can see Nasdaq Dow is down 723. VIX is up 5 points, 10%, a little bit over 10.5%. Okay, let's go see, let's try to buy Nasdaq again,
Order filled.
just for a few points.
Order submitted.
See if it continues down, that's all fine. Alright, gold is not going anywhere, just staying there. The way Nasdaq is going, it just looks like coming down here. Let's see if we can get a few points there. Let's buy
Order
one more on the
filled.
gold. We'll just get a few ticks. It's not
Order
moving anymore.
submitted.
Okay, it was very close to our target, the Nasdaq. Let's go then, in case it comes back to that area. case gold turns around, we'll only get 6 ticks,
Order
which
filled.
is fine. Here's fine too. Almost no movement in gold, so we want to get positive trade. Few ticks and it's gonna be fine. Alright, if Nasdaq breaks this, we could go down. Or this is gonna be support. Okay, there's a lot of support into this area.
Order filled.
Alright, we got out of gold. We got only 6 ticks, which is fine. Let's just make a sale
Order
over here.
filled.
And
Order submitted.
We'll see what's gonna happen. Looks like Nasdaq wants to come down at least to here, maybe even further. So we'll take a look. We'll see it, I mean. There's, as soon as I said maybe coming here, it's going opposite way. Okay, we'll make
Order
sale.
filled.
Go to bottom of this bar.
Order submitted.
And we are 28 minutes, 29 minutes in trading, morning trading session. There's, we're getting a profit for a moment. Let's see if we can reach. Okay, we need to go a little bit just higher. If we can reach bottom of this bar. That's a big move. Okay, I'll let them go. We'll sell another
Order
one.
filled.
We'll move our target here, since they're having a hard time to come
Order
down.
submitted.
Only 1 hour profit. And there's gold is turning around. It's gonna be good buy somewhere down here. Yeah, we're getting some heat over here, but we have a good size account, so it's no problem. Waiting for gold to come down here so we can buy it. Let's, in case
Order
it
submitted.
comes down, we can just buy. Since markets are so strong now, let's get our target a little bit higher. We wanna exit with a good trade. I don't like this setup, this could continue longer. We'll cancel
Order
gold for now. So I'll be just looking to come out with a positive trade if we can. They're in overbought territory. Plus we are having now higher lows, plus this one. I mean lower highs. There we come.
Order
Alright,
filled.
there we go. Okay, almost 35 minutes in a trading session. As you can see, there's a battle going on now, but it looks like we're gonna go lower over here, the way it's set up. And as I was saying earlier, first leg pullback, second leg, here's a pullback, may happen few days like here. And we could come all the way down to 7,400, 7,500. Who knows? This is what chart is saying with support zones. There we continue up again. Let's make a sale.
Order filled.
And we'll just go with here with a target.
Order submitted.
And this is gonna be it for this morning. Okay, market is showing strength. We're having green bars, red, green, red, green, red, green again, and green. So just broke this high. Still needs to break this high to go long. But for now, I said a little bit earlier, they looks like they wanna come down. But there is some strength in here, so I believe they're gonna be coming down just based on a daily setup.
Order filled.
Alright, there we go. And then where the gold is, I think they're gonna be pulling back. Also watching back in the history, so let's take similar situation. So this is just less bars. Let's see if we can find somewhere else. That was yesterday, strong trend and pullback. That was a strong trend down and then pullback, as you can see. Also, there's, so based on indicators, they're trying to go along, but hopefully they do. That we don't have to revisit these areas here. But definitely in these areas I would just be selling. Even if it continues up, still has to pull back. There's a good, let's make
Order
a sale.
filled.
There's right away.
Order submitted.
Alright, we broke this high too. Since this bar formed, they just changed the trend. There was a lot of red here. Alright, let's see if we can reach. We can even come out now with just a sell market.
Order
Calls are
filled.
right there. Okay. Looks like we had some technical difficulties over here. I even didn't see. I just saw it, so I do apologize about that. You guys didn't see the trading getting our points. So anyhow, there's our points for this morning. This is our daily chart in gold. I was making trades, so you could have seen just gold. But what I was saying, first leg pullback, second leg pullback, and we may come down to 7,400 if they continue down. I don't know how this happened, that screens couldn't be seen. Well, next time I'll be very careful. Do apologize about that. What results are here? Alright, well, have a nice day and have a great trading.